Hot Wheels 2023 50 pack. As you can see, it's got all sorts of new cars coming up in the lineup. Some pretty good stuff. I see a Honda CRX and a Porsche 935, which is pretty cool, and a 62 Corvette. Alright, let's open it. Let's check what we get in here. Ooh, goodies. Alright, so let's take a look at the cars that are right here first. And we'll start off with these two here. Ooh, this one's a really nice one here. This is a Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. Pretty nice. Looks like those are new rims, I believe. I don't think it's not the supercharger, right? Nope. But that's pretty cool. Then we got this Rockin' Railer. Pretty sweet. Yep. Pretty nice. Even though I don't really like fantasy cars. Then, ooh, this is a really nice one. Custom 68 Camaro. Nice. Looks like it's got this body kit type. Sweet. Next to a Subaru WRX STI in gray with gold rims. Nice detailing. Pretty sweet. You got the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. Nice. In red. Next cars. Yeah, this one's one I don't like at all. HW Water Bomber. I don't really like cars that don't fit on the track and stuff. So here we have this 71 Plymouth GTX. This one's pretty cool in blue. Yep, pretty sweet. And we got this Lamborghini Reventon. Nice to see this one back in the lineup. It hasn't been around for a while. I think like 2015, I believe. But that's cool. Ooh, this is a really nice one. Lane Lowrider in green. It's got nice detailing on the top. Both the trunk and the hood. Sweet. And then we got this H2Go, another card I'm not really into. But there you have it. These four here. Got a Honda CB750 Cafe motorcycle. Not bad, but I'm not a motorcycle guy myself. Ooh, nice. Got a 69 Dodge Charger 500. This one's a classy one. Nice. Got the Solero GT in red. They already made this one in blue. Not really a fan of that car either, but it's all good. Porsche 928S Safari. This is a brand new model here. Pretty sweet. And yes, and these 50 packs, they do come in short packages, so that's why they're a little different in order to fit 50 cars in there. Next two, looks like we got a Ford Bronco R. Now it's in the Hot Wheels main line, so it used to be in Car Culture. Pretty sweet. Ooh, nice. This is a really cool Ford. Ford F-150 Custom Lightning. Nice. I really like the blue. Pretty sure a lot of people are going to be looking forward to that one. And the last four up here are an Audi Sport Quattro in white. Pretty sweet. Check that out. Got a 57 Jeep FC off-road vehicle. Nice and blue. Jaguar I-Pace Trophy. Oh, that one's pretty cool. And last but not least, Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution in white. Nice. Already have this one in red. Next up, we gotta pull up this lid here. Or cars. Ooh, we got a Corvette C7Z06 convertible in brown. That's a really nice color. Never seen that color for a Corvette. 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35. Pretty sweet. From the 80 series. Jeep Scrambler in red and gray from the Baja Blazers. Pretty sweet. Oops, sorry for the camera bump there. Oh, nice. 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Nice. Looks like it's a new model. Yes, it is. 2021. Well, not technically new, but like I think it was released in like car culture before, so that's why. 1980 El Camino in green. They made this one in blue this year. Now they made it in this color. I think I like this one a bit better. So, pretty sweet. 1990 Land Rover Defender 90 in gray. It's more like a smoke gray color, but it's pretty cool. Got a shorty here that has a bent little package here. 82 Cadillac Seville. Oh, nice. Blue color. I think the first color was a bit better, but this one's pretty cool. Skyfire with the bug eyes. Not a fan of helicopters, but you know, it is what it is in there. Teed off 2. Crazy golf cart. Oh, nice. We got a GMC Hummer EV in green. Oh, this one's really cool. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. All black. Pretty nice. You got Hologram in red from the Metro series. This one's pretty cool. I mean, I have one version of this one, which is the first color in 2019. But after that, I didn't get any. Oh, Carbonator. This is the bottle opener car. Usually gets featured for the Happy New Year stuff. Brutonator since 2012. Nice. Actually, I like that car. Another bike, the Honda Super Club Custom. Again, not a fan of bikes, but it is what it is. And we got this matte splash in red. Kind of a cool casting. Not just a boat, but it's a boat on wheels. On actual wheels that can go on a track. You got Sandburner, sorry. I get confused with the other car, Sandblaster. But pretty cool. We got the tuned Twin Mill. Pretty nice in yellow. Not a fan of it too much, but I like some colors. So yeah. Last but not least up here is Hot Wheels High. This is a color I actually like. This is from the Metro series. Alright, nice. So now, let's get to the last batch. Alrighty, just got the tape out of there. Let's get a closer look at those cars that were in the front. So here is that Porsche 935. Pretty nice. In blue. Fast Feline. This is actually a car that I actually grew up in around 2012. I remember having a volcanic version. That was pretty cool to have. Fortunately, that's not with me anymore. BMW i8 Roadster. Nice. This was made into an ID car, and same with that Jaguar I-Pace trophy car. We got HW 4Track. Not a car that I don't really like, but it's in there. 92 Dodge Viper RT10 with these new rims. And details too. Pretty nice. 88 Honda CRX in blue. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, here's a car that we haven't seen in a while. Passing Gasser in brown with gold rims. Pretty nice. 62 Corvette in gray. I think this is a new model. Oh no, it is, and it's 2008 Mattel. Okay, but that's cool. We got the Rimac Nevera in white. I already have the other new color, which is blue. But pretty nice. And last few cars. The very last few cars are Hot Wired in yellow, Lightning Bug, and the Dodge Charger Drift. Pretty nice. Thank you a lot for watching this awesome 50-pack unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. Hope to see you in the next Hot Wheels Hunt video.